How do judges know, or how do judges determine if the child is a problem or if the parent is a problem? So often in family court, you've got a kid saying, I don't like this parent because they suck, and a parent saying, this kid sucks, and the mom, usually the mom, has turned this kid against me, or dad has turned this child against me, and they're rude and disrespectful, and they don't respect my house or my boundaries, and they should have to come back for parenting time. So how do judges determine in that situation whether or not it's the kid who's the problem or the parent that's the problem? One of the things they look at is the child's overall life. Does the child get good grades? Have they for years been able to get good grades? Do they participate on sports teams? Do they have a history of behavior problems, expulsions? Does it show up everywhere, or does it only show up at that one parent's house? Because if a teen is able to meet expectations and perform in all these other settings and all these other scenarios, and it's just a problem with one parent, then the parent is probably at fault. My very, very first TikTok in 2021 was about how you don't get to be the same parent divorced as you were if you were in an intact family. And this is kind of one of the reasons why. If you're in an intact family and the parents decide that the child is being rude and disrespectful and they want to put boundaries in place, like you can't have your phone or whatever, they can do that. But when you're in a divorced family and you do something like that, you say, I'm going to put a very harsh consequence here because, you haven't done your chores, or you've been disrespectful, or you're not pulling your weight around the house. The child has the ability at some point to simply go to the other parent's house. So you have to do a lot more, I think, relationship-based parenting than authoritative, hierarchical type parenting. What do y'all think?